Assalamualaikum, I have a lot of fun. Today I will give a topic which is giving money to poor is stupid. Whether it is true. By giving money to beggar is stupid. It's because it's attracting more beggars. Like nowadays, it's in Pakistan, it's a business. People kidnapping people, kidnapping childs, kidnapping old people, and which increase the human trafficking. Like to grow this business, and also it impacts for our society, our economic, like the poverty rate in Pakistan in 2024 is increased to 40% already, and which is very high. And also giving money to poor, it's also like if he's giving money to beggar, we don't know like what he's doing with the money. If he's doing drugs or alcohol, which is harmful to our society, and like it's very bad. Although instead of giving money to the to beggars, we can give money to the reliable organization like the donation center and the uh, welfare centers to the so they provide the actual the needy people. They provide the resources. Also, it's make a point like if we giving to money a beggar, he's now like very lazy, and now it's he making his begging like asking people for money. Nowadays in business, it is very easy, and now you have to work hard and to like working hard, which